Hello friend, today I want to show you how to fix not on Samsung A2 core. You see put it charging, is not showing charging, is not on. You see I press the power button, is not making on. You see, after then you are press volume down, volume up and power button. Three of them press and hold it 1 minute. You see now is showing charging. After then you see this phone is making charging, now is making on also. Make it on. Now this problem is solved, 100% is done in this phone now. You see this one is on. This one is on, 100% is